guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a brand new video, but before I jump into it, I just want to apologize for the delay for this video. I'm still new to this YouTube stuff, and honestly I wasn't gonna post a hair review anymore. I wasn't gonna do reviews on my channel, but it turns out it has the most views and I had the most inquiries about this update, so sorry for the delay, and here is the video you guys been waiting for. So I'm going to start this video talking about the pros, and then I'm just going to jump into the cons about this hair. So the pros about this hair is the color. First of all, bomb.com. Like, this color is beautiful. So when I did get it, it was a little bit more on like the yellowy side. I ashed it out just a little bit with my purple shampoo. I probably only kept it on for about like 3 minutes. That's all you need for the color, just to change just a little bit. So I love that. I love that you could manipulate it more to your skin tone. The other thing that I really love is the length of this hair. I did order a 24 length, and I felt like it was very true to length. And the other thing that I really liked about this hair was, or is, the fit of the cap. I think the fit's really nice. I did request a small, but they sent me a medium, but no complaints because the medium is like the perfect fit for me. So if you're looking for a wig that's more big head friendly, I would definitely suggest you order this in the large. So it does come with like a little bit of baby hairs. I kept it as is, or you could like cut it to add a little bit more if that's what you like. But yeah, I can't stop like raving about this color. I think the color is like so nice. Alright, so what I don't really like about this hair is the dryness. So first of all, if you haven't seen my unboxing video, I would suggest you check that out first, just so you're up to date about what I'm talking about now. So I think the hair is super dry. It never changed. I tried like oils, I tried like olive oil, Moroccan oil, olive oil, like all the oils. It's just super dry, and that's just how the hair is. There's no change in that. Because the hair is dry, it causes a lot of frizziness and it causes a lot of breakage. So before I started this video, I was getting ready. I was just doing the norm, straightening my hair, brushing it out. And then when I was done, I decided to hang on to my brush so I could show you guys how much this hair does break and fall out. Like, that's quite excessive for just getting ready and brushing it out. That's a lot of hair. Not only is it all in my brush, it's all over my clothes right now. So yeah, because it's so dry, it causes a lot of breakage and a lot of frizziness. So I would give this hair about an hour if you're just out and about for it to just start frizzing up in the back. So it just kind of like starts to rise up and then clump together. So now it starts to get tangled in the back, which I totally hate. So just like a little story time, I was at work and I was like walking back and forth, and you know, like the black girls you work with always know, like, is that her hair ain't real, that's real, that's a bomb wig, that's not a bomb wig. So like, honey, they call me out at work for my hair frizzing out. Like, is that human hair? Is it synthetic? Like, I hate that. Like, if you're not saying, girl, your hair is bomb.com, I hate when someone points out all the flaws of my hair. So it is very noticeable that the hair frizzes up in the back. You can't miss it. It is what it is. So I would say for whoever that is interested in buying this hair, if you're not a person that likes breakage, or you can't deal with it because it just gives you anxiety to see hair all over the place, it probably isn't the hair for you. But I would say if you're just trying to try out a new color, you're not trying to invest $500 into a wig versus like the $2 something that I paid for it, I would say go ahead and buy it just to try it out, because it is my experience about how I feel about the hair. Noted, I did do a little bit of research, and I did also notice a few people commented about the dryness of the hair. So it's a very high chance if you do buy this hair, it probably will be a little bit more on the drier side. Or if you just like to switch up your hair like every week. If you like to switch up your hair, it probably just won't bother you as much if you're in a new wig every week anyway. For me personally, I can't wear this wig for like 2 weeks straight, because after that I get really tired of just always trying to maintain it. It's very high maintenance, and that's the other thing. If you're not very good at like adjusting your wigs or playing around with hair in general, then it probably will be like a lot of work for you or a lot of maintenance for you. I'm not gonna bash the brand though. It is my first time ordering from them. I would say if they worked on just like the processing of a colored hair for it to not be so dry, I would probably be more inclined to buy it again. Because like I said, I think color is amazing. And same thing, I did my research and other people commented on the hair too as the color. A lot of people commented on the hair and the hair color, and the color is beautiful. Like, I'm not gonna take away from, they did a really good job nailing this color. It's just the dryness. So I'm not gonna write off this brand and say I would never buy from them again. I would be interested in maybe trying a darker shade, maybe like a more natural color, to see if it does the same thing, because then I could kind of narrow it down to see if it's just their hair or is it maybe just their colored hair they just have to work on. But guys, leave me a comment below and let me know your experience. Let me know if you bought the hair. Let me know what you guys think about it. So leave a comment below. Don't forget, subscribe guys, like and comment, and also follow me on social media guys. I'm still new. I want you guys to tell me what you want me to do, what you guys want me to post. I want to communicate with you guys, so for sure let me know your opinion if you do buy this hair. And you already know, another day is another slay guys. So I'll see you in my next video.